Hello, everyone. I am here today at the Magna Museum with my cousin, Don Gourley. There you go. How are you today, Don?
I'm doing pretty good.
Great. Well, I love this display that you have up here, because I actually remember a lot about this man here. Let me get closer. He is W.B. Gourley.
William Boyd Gourley.
William Boyd Gourley. And he was my uncle. Don, and so we're cousins. Can you tell a little bit about this display?
Well, this is my dad's welding stuff.
Yeah.
And a few things came out of the barn.
Aha. So I remember your dad welding downstairs, and I remember this helmet.
He welded in the barn.
In the barn?
Garage.
In the garage?
Not downstairs.
Oh, okay. Well, look at all this stuff. This is amazing. Stuff from the past. Interesting. What about this right here? You were telling me about, what is
right
this called?
Happens to be Grandfather Butler's welder. He put it together. And my dad inherited it from him.
Wow. Look at all of this equipment. This is
the chaps he wore at Kennecott.
Okay.
These are the welding jacket he wore at Kennecott.
Oh my goodness. What a hard worker
helmet
he was. I remember him.
He welded at home with. This right here, there's a welding helmet he had when he was up at Kennecott. The hard cap happened to be mine.
Okay.
These are welding gloves here, and they're over there. And then you have some old pulleys and a block and tackle. That's when you have two pulleys put together, hooked up in series.
Wow.
And here's some awards he received when he was up at Kennecott. And here's the shop of the boiler shop up at Kennecott.
Interesting.
No, it was taken in 1979.
1979. It's quite a long time ago. Your father was a hard worker. And he liked to tease. I remember that too about Uncle Bill.
Yep.
Well, you have a lot to be proud of, Don.
Okay.
You have a great heritage. And you have that put up here at the Magna Museum so people can look in there and see a little bit about what it was like in the past, a little bit about welding. Thank you so much for volunteering your time here, Don.